Hey guys, so welcome back. Hope everyone is well. So yeah, I just wanted to come over and just give you a review on Eni Lashes UK. Now, they reached out to me via Instagram and so kindly sent me over a pair of their Confident lashes. These are actually foam inks, so it's 100% cruelty free and it's vegan friendly too. Now, foam inks is literally just synthetic fibers that resemble real like mink eyelashes, except obviously there's no cruelty involved and it is a vegan friendly alternative. So when they arrived, I was really impressed. I think the packaging is so cute. It's like a little drawer and it's kind of got like a diamond handle. Again, absolutely lovely. But the biggest thing that I really liked about it is that it came with an instruction card. Now, never in all my life of buying eyelashes have I had an instruction card. Okay, some lashes you might get a few pictures on the back of the box, but never had a detailed instruction card like this. So I thought this was a really nice touch. I mean, not everybody is used to wearing eyelashes. Not everybody even knows how to apply them themselves. Me personally, it took me ages, ages to learn how to apply strip lashes. But now you just whip it on, whip it off. Nice and easy. It's quick. Card here just gives you an idea of, you know, how to figure out what lash goes on what eye. So when the box is facing you and you pull the drawer out, left lash is on the left hand side of the drawer and the right lash is on the right hand side. Pretty self-explanatory there. But as you can tell by the lashes, they are really cute. They are really full and fluttery. They're not too big. I mean, I think when you're doing makeup and you've got a statement look on your eyes, I don't mind, you know, the wispy broomsticks on your eyes. But I think for an everyday look, you don't really, well, me personally, I don't need to be that glam. So these Confident lashes are actually amazing because I do and I can wear these every day. It's not too over the top, but they just give you that. You know what I'm saying? They're just really nice. They're light. They don't feel heavy. Now, another thing that I dislike about eyelashes, or that I have disliked in the past, is eyelashes that have a really thick top. And I do find that with most mink eyelashes that, you know, the base is quite thick and sometimes I feel like they just weigh my eyelids down. However, although the base is slightly thick, it's not as thick as a lot that I've come across. So therefore it sits on my eyes. It doesn't make my eyes feel heavy and I can wear them all day long without like, and if you use a good lash glue, they ain't going nowhere. By the way, you can actually buy adhesive gel on eyelashes.uk. What I also like about them is that, I mean, they are obviously reusable. Now, since I've received these, I have worn them probably about 4 or 5 times. And each time I've had on makeup, each time I've used the glue, and it's just simple. I mean, eyelashes are really easy to take care of as long as you put them back in a case. So when you remove them, you know, just pick off the glue very carefully with a tweezer and then, yeah, just sort of stick it back so it can retain its shape. What I will do is I will pop a couple of photos just to show a few different looks that I have created while using my Eni Lashes. And the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Clip so you can kind of get an look like from the back, from the side. Obviously I wanted to talk about them and show them in the box, but I have another video where I'm talking and you can see what they actually look like on. If you are wanting to try out these confident lashes, all right, now Eni Lashes, their prices start from around $7.99 and they have loads of different styles available. So you can go over to their website, they're on Instagram and they're also on Facebook. I will link all the descriptions, the links to their page, the links to their site. You can head over and check them out for yourself. So guys, what is your favorite style of lashes? Do you like them super flattery, you know, like we're ready to take off? Do you like them subtle? Do you like them short, long, medium? Do you like them where, you know, they're long and then they have like short bits, and I don't know what that style's called, but they make your eyes look really cute. Yeah, what kind of eyelashes do you like? Do you get them as a strip? Do you get them individually? Personally, I don't mind individuals. I think they do look nice, but when it comes to trying to wash your face or going swimming and just like putting on makeup and removing makeup, I just think this is a bit long, and I never ever leave them to grow out. I tend to pick them out, which is, I shouldn't be telling you that, that's bad, guys. Don't pick your eyelashes when you get them removed properly. But yeah, guys, I'm really happy. These get a 5-star from Rena Vibes, hands down. I would certainly like to try out a few more of Eni Lashes styles, just to create different looks, you know. I think your eyes say a lot. Your eyes are the window to the soul. And being a self-taught makeup artist, if I can call myself that, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, right? And I practice a lot. So, I mean, yeah, I'm getting a bit more bold with my colors, a bit more, how to say, experimental. So it's always good to sort of have an eyelash just to make those looks pop. So yeah, Eni Lashes, I will be coming over for some more. Guys, thank you for watching. Drop your comment. Have you tried Eni Lashes before? Would you try them? Most importantly, are you going to try them? Yep, I think you should. This is your girl Rena Vibes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share amongst your fellow friends and family. And I shall see you next time. Ciao for now.